Hey everybody, Dei-Rasi, Freckleton here. Now, today what I'm going to be doing is I'm starting a new series where persons would have asked me from time to time how they could earn money from the internet for absolutely free. And I'll be doing just that. There are so many applications, programs, and options where you could earn money from the internet by you paying nothing down. Yeah, money that you can actually use like right now. So what I'm going to be doing is that today I'll be premiering the very first video in that particular category, and then I'll be doing this over and over. And I'm going to be showing you that you could actually start earning real money from the internet starting in the next maybe 30 seconds or 1 minute from now. Pretty simple, very easy. And if you just devote maybe like 10-15 minutes per day to this one program, then you could actually amass a lot in a little bit of time. And then I'll be adding more. So the more that you add to this, you're going to realize that you can easily make like $100 per day, $1,000 per day, and it is very scalable. I'm going to be showing you how you could scale this up. So what I want you to do right now is that if you are brand new here, or if you have not yet done so, please subscribe to the channel, watch the video to the very end, and if you like the content, please give it a like, of course, and let me know your thoughts in the comment sections down below. The link, of course, is going to be in the description. So let's get started.
Let's go!
Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you for sticking around. Now today we're going to be looking at this company, and the website is Coinpayu. So coinpayu.com. And see, it's free to join. I'm just going to jump into the dashboard because I'm already logged in. Now this, I'm going to put a snapshot of where I'm at now. So this was done on the 12th of March. Today, when I'm doing the actual voicing, it is the 18th of March. So I was in it at this time for about 3-4 days, because I joined it on the 8th of March, and at that time you can see how many coins, and at that time I only had one referral because I only also did it on an account on my phone. Alright, so you see it's pretty good user interface. So the first thing you can see, how do you start making some cash? You have those things where you can go and you can view ads. So I would have been viewing them, as you can see, and look on the right hand side so you can see what I'm talking about. So there on the right, you can see that there are, like for this one, new best crypto bank, you can see 11 million viewers. You can see 6 million viewers, 100,000. So persons are viewing these ads, and because they are getting such high volumes of traffic, and these ads, they go fast. So what I've seen is that there are persons who would take too long to see those same ads, and then by the time they are ready, it is no longer available. What if that ad buyer only bought 1 million views, or 500,000 views, or 100,000 views, or 50,000 views? You don't know. So it's best to gobble them up as soon as they come, because remember, watching them is money. As you can see, the different ads, they pay 1.6 satoshi, some pay 5 satoshi, 6 satoshi, 10 satoshi, 1 satoshi, 2 satoshi, 5. So it's really up to you going forward. Let us click on one of those ads and see what really happens. So it clicks, it populates a new page. These are all other opportunities where you can also earn. There's a timer that is on the main Coinpayu page, and when the timer goes down, as you can see, you will receive your cash reward or your crypto reward, which you can then have redeemed for cash. All right, moving right along, they have other different types of ads. You have window ads. The difference between window ads and the surf ads is that the surf ads, you can leave off the page. With the window ads, you are unable to leave. If you leave off the page, then the ad stops. As you can see, there's a line running. If I go across it, it actually stops the ad, but if I allow it to go, then it is going to be refreshing to the main page, the page of the ad buyer. There it is. Then I can go now to the Coinpayu page, and I would have been paid. You also have video ads. I'm not certain if any will be on this one, but they also have video ads, Now, moving down, we have offers, and under offers, you have surveys. You can see they are sorted out by popularity. You can see the ones that people gravitate towards. Just go play around with them. I haven't looked at any of the offers as yet, but I know that you can actually earn extremely quickly with it, because I've been testing out all the different things on other websites as well as this one, so I'm not able to do all of this at once. But you could also look at the Faucet, which is what I like the most. So we get a couple different faucets, meaning that you earn cryptocurrency every 60 minutes. Yeah, so every 60 minutes you can earn 4. In the free version, you can upgrade to earn from others, but in the free version it is just 4. And the choice they gave us are from Bitcoin, Doge, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Binance, BitTorrent, Old, Cardano, Solana. So those are the ones that I pay attention. For me, I pay attention only to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and then I go between Litecoin, Solana, but I also include ADA, which is Cardano. So my 4 top in this is actually Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and then I toggle every week, every day I toggle between Litecoin and Solana. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You do here your claim Ethereum or whichever one of the different tokens. Then in the free version you get this countdown, and you may have a recapture that you have to solve. But in the upgraded version you don't do any of that. You just click on it and you claim. But that's entirely up to you. I'm showing how you could do it for free. So you could just try out the free version for a few days. If that's possible, and then when you start earning, you can use it to upgrade, but that's entirely up to you. All right, moving right along. All right, so you can see advertisers. You can advertise there. You make your ads. You can do the same ads that you were looking at. You can do serve ads. You could also do window ads or video ads. You could look at your affiliates or your referrals. So I could click on it. At this time when I'm there, I only had 1 referral. That was me. I hadn't earned anything. Oh yeah, I earned 3 from him because I would use my phone to do some of the ads. So you earn passively. So if you are able to get other persons to join you through your link, and you also get your own banners, you get different things that you could advertise. Yes, you advertise for people who want to earn and also people who want to advertise. So if you are in Bitcoin groups or NFT groups or whatever the case may be, and persons are there who would love to advertise their projects in a cheap way that gets traffic, it's a good way for you to use your link, advertise. When they advertise, you get paid as well. You also have this marketplace where you could get a system market things from the system, but they also have a user market. So it is extremely powerful. You could just focus on the ones that you really want here. You can look at the history. I joined, as I said before, on the 8th of the 3rd, and my currently now I have almost 900 Satoshi, and I only do this for maybe like 10 minutes per day, and I have a combined total of almost 3,800 Satoshi. And you can see there I have all my wallet addresses. So I put in the different wallet address for my Bitcoin, Ethereum, this, that. There are so many things. And then you also have down there, you have games. You could play games, win Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. I haven't looked at this, but it's powerful. I mean, on the forum, people actually talk about it. You play these games, you get real Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies from it. So it gives you options and other different ways to earn whilst you're on the platform. All right. Now, what I want to show now, how powerful this particular platform is. So I am going to head over now to Alexa ranking. Yes, and in Alexa ranking, it's 2 tools that I use. I want to show you both of them, and I'm going to type in the website's address, and that is www.coinpayu.com. Let me just fire this up. Let us analyze what's happening on this page. 1, this website is ranked 881. Now you should know that there are millions of websites on the internet. For you to rank 881, something must be going good for you. And also the average daily persons who come to the site, on average they spend about 17 minutes and 24 seconds. Isn't that powerful? Now the second site that I normally use to analyze traffic is similarweb.com, and I think I like Similarweb a little bit more than Alexa. And in Similarweb, what I do is that I put in the very same thing. I will be typing in the domain name, so that is www.coinpayu.com, and I'll hit search, and you're going to be seeing, something similar, a similar story. So by country, it is ranked 775. It is the 4th in its category. Total visits, and this is for the month, 9.9 million. So it says that pages per visit. People normally visit about 24.4 pages whenever they visit, meaning that when persons visit Coinpayu, for the most part, they are looking at ads. So you'll go on Coinpayu, but from Coinpayu, you normally see an average of 24 other pages. So these are people who go there clicking on the ads for different offers, so they go to like 24 different. So the average is 24, because I have gotten like 50 plus, 40 plus, 30 plus, sometimes 20 plus pages daily. And this also says here that the average visit duration is 15 minutes 32 seconds. So both sites give slightly similar, because on Alexa says 17 minutes and I think 24 seconds, whilst similar web says 15 minutes and 32 seconds. So you spend between 15 to 18 minutes. Let us say it's between 15 to 18 minutes. You visit about 24 pages. So less than 20 minutes per day. And you could, trust me, if you have just 5 persons joining you, just 5, and they're doing the exact same thing that you're doing, in 3 months time, you'll probably start doing $100 per day. This is how powerful this program is. All right, guys. So now that you know what to do, what I want you to do is that I want you to just go out there and, kick some butt. And tomorrow I'll be doing another one. So my link will be in the description below for this program. Alright, and I did say that I am going to show you where I'm at right now. So I have just 2 referrals. I have not shared it with anybody as yet. Just 2 referrals. I'm going to show you what's really happening with both referrals. As you can see, so they're earning. So this person joined on the 15th. Just 3 days ago, they have 250. This was when I started using my phone, the 13th. And I hardly use it. I have 338. For the faucets, you can also see that I now have 168 in Bitcoin. I have this amount in Doge. I don't really use it often, but it's not a bad thing to get your foot in the door. I have Litecoin, Ethereum. I have not messed around with Dash nor Bitcoin Cash, nor Tron on this. I use Tron on the phone. I haven't used Binance at all, but I'm going to be using Binance. I haven't used BitTorrent. I use Tether also on the phone, and I use Solana here, and as well as ADA. So for the Cardano, which is ADA. Now, one of the cool things that I like about this is that watch what I can do. I can swap this for another token. So what I do, I normally watch the crypto space, and when I see different tokens blowing up, like 2 days ago, APE, it blew up to over 706%. 706%. So all I did was that I just swapped out what I had in, I think it was Bitcoin. That's why I have so little bit. I swapped what I had in Bitcoin for some APE, grabbed some, and I think it went up 8 times the amount. And then all I do is that when they reach up to 8 times, I normally wait until 10 times, but I don't like to be greedy because sometimes they go up and they crash. So I took out back all the coins and leave it in my wallet. So there are many ways that we could bounce this around, guys. All right.
So there you have it, my friends. Yes, you could just spend 15 to 17 minutes per day and earn some money from the internet from this one platform. Yes, Coinpayu can actually pay you. So go out there and implement these strategies that I've shown you, and join me again tomorrow, because I'll be doing this very same thing, another platform. I'll be premiering another platform showing how you could use it, and of course you can scale these up, and in no time you could easily start making decent livable income from the internet, leveraging the power of the internet. So if you have not yet done so, please, I'm going to ask you, it does help, subscribe to the channel. Also like this video if you do like the content. Of course, comment below. The description contains the link, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.